Hi everybody, welcome back. What do you do when you purchase the nicest pair of pants for your child and they wear it for the first time and they come home from school and there's a big hole in it? Do you throw it out? No. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I deal with it. Yes, you can put stitches on it, but it's going to look like there was a hole in it and someone patched it, right? So what do? This is the trick. What is my trick? Iron on patches. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to do it. First, my daughter came home, brand new pants, big hole in it. It's not huge, but these pants stretch, so look what's going to happen, okay? So it's visible. So first thing what you have to do, you have to just patch it up anyway, but just don't care how you're going to do it. Just make sure to run a stitch between, just because when you apply hot iron and the patch on it, the patch will go through and you're just gonna stick two pieces together. So stitching helps hold the fabric together without, the glue, the hot glue going through the hole. So see what I did with this one? There was a big hole because she fell. I don't care how I did it, but I'm gonna work with it. I patched the hole, so that's actually the first thing you need to do. You have to patch the hole. The second thing is selecting the patch. So there's just a couple of things I can suggest you. So I have a lot of patches here. You can get them on Amazon. I'm gonna put the link below. You can select different theme, whatever you want, for boy, for girls, for whatever. Okay, so the second thing I wanna do, I wanna select the size of a patch because I want my patch to cover it entirely. I guess that would be ideal, right? And also my suggestion would be, depending on where's the patch, like this one is on a knee, so I want to get something darker because that's the area when it's gonna get dirty a lot, right? And my suggestion would be just to select the patch with like black background. First of all, be dark patch, and second would be with like black background. This one may not really look so cool as it looks on white color, right? But white patches like this one will be like great, but I noticed like it's gonna get really dirty, so you don't want your clothes to look dirty. I have two pairs of pants. Once you selected the patches, see, my daughter wants pizza for these and she really wanted French fries. I personally think French fries are too small because stitch is like about this long. I think strawberry would be better because it's bigger, or even cherry, but she wants French fries. I'm gonna go with French fries. I think I'm just gonna drop it down so this larger area here will cover the stitch as much as possible. Okay, and what's worth mentioning, notice like these pants already have something. I don't exactly know what this is. It's some sort of pattern. I feel like it's rubbery. It's not fabric. It's like a glue or something. This is probably paint, so may want to stay away with hot iron. Stay away from these sections because you don't know if this is going to melt. I don't know what that is. I'm not sure. So this is just a precaution. Okay, so I'm going to set up my iron to the highest possible setting. Now, working with fabric depends what you have. Make sure that you're going to work with something that your fabric will tolerate, okay? So this is cotton. I can work with high settings. If you have delicate fabric, you may want to work with something delicate. And follow the directions. If you purchase patch, I'm going to go these pants first, okay? Ready, set, go. Okay, and I'm not touching, I'm not moving my iron. I'm going to try to stay away from this area, as I mentioned before. I'm going to hold it for about 30 to 45 seconds. Some brands suggest 15 seconds. I personally keep it a little bit longer than suggested because I noticed that the patches will come out, like come off on the edges. But then again, learn through practice. Okay, better safe than sorry. Okay, all right, 3, 2, 1, go. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna very quickly flip it, but be careful because fabric is really, really hot. So try not touching it because you can burn yourself. This one's not too bad. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna iron it exactly on the patch on the other side. So see, you can see stitches here, and go again. This one may not require as long, but I'm gonna keep it for, I would say, like 20 seconds. 15 should do. If it's a thicker fabric, you may want to keep it a little bit longer. If you work with jeans, then it takes time for the heat to go through thicker fabric. I think, again, you're going to have to keep practicing, do it a few times, and then see what works. Also, I noticed that poor quality patches come off easier. So you sort of get what you pay for. And although it may seem like prices are similar, just read reviews and try to go with like something decent. Okay, I think it's enough. Wow, it's steamy. And right away, I am gonna go to the second one. Okay, so again, pizza, I'm gonna keep this on the outside. All right, this fabric is slightly different. I'm kind of worried that it may be too thin. It's not cotton, it's like elastic. So I may not keep it as long as the other. But then again, it's kind of tricky because you still want the glue to melt, but then, oh, see, like this one is kind of like giving up. So it's pizza. This is gonna work. The shape of the iron, it's kind of similar to the pizza slice. I'm gonna keep it like this. A few more seconds. Again, also it's possible you may want to go through, you may want to put like a very thin fabric, like handkerchief or, you know, like a cotton, very thin fabric. But then again, that's like extra layer and I don't really see what's going on. And the point is for the patch to actually heat and melt. So I don't know if that works. I never did that, but if you want to give it a try, go ahead. Okay. So basically this is it. I usually use it for holes, but you can use it as a decorative feature. Put it on your clothes, that could be a cool idea. Actually, I use it on my backpack. It makes it very unique. So. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It seems like it's tolerating heat pretty well. Oh, my iron's turning off. Probably senses that I'm not really moving it. Okay. Right. All right, you guys, this is it. So that's how it looks. My daughter will be really happy. I am really happy because I don't have to buy new pants and she can still wear them. So I'm going to provide you links with patches below in the description. Let me know what you think. I'm going to shoot another video. If you like the video, you can give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. And good luck, you guys. Be more fashionable and hopefully this method will save you some money. Thank you guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.